In the 5th episode of the workbench, I will be putting on the legs and finding the measurement for the workbench. The measurement is 709 mm according to what is written here. I will check if this measurement is sufficient or if there are too many. If there are too many, everyone will need to change their measurements according to their own needs and what they want to do with their workbenches. Many of you have been asking me for the free PDF, and I want to assure you that these photos are indeed free. I will send them to you without any problem. The interior measurement is 72. It may not be this, but it must be this. So here there will be 1.5 inches. Since all the woods are different, as you can see here it's flush, here it's a bit inside, but sanding could help recover it if I manage to position it on another crossbeam. It's important to note that the accuracy of the measurement is crucial in this case. If the 1.5 inches is not achieved, the structural integrity of the project may be compromised. Therefore, it is imperative to carefully assess and adjust the position of the wood to ensure a perfect fit. Additionally, utilizing sanding techniques can aid in achieving the desired flushness and alignment. By taking these precautions, the final result will be a sturdy and visually appealing structure that meets all the necessary requirements. Here it is perfectly flush, while here it protrudes by 1 millimeter, so it's easy to sand it down and make it flush. We make an effort to keep roughly the same measurements, which will be evened out through the process of sanding. I simply need to take these pieces. We will use the first 4 pieces to build the base. We have already selected our 4 pieces. Now, let's proceed to take the measurements so that I can create a height of 3.8. This height will be crucial for the final design. Once I have the measurements, I will carefully assemble the pieces to ensure stability. It is important to pay attention to detail during this process. By following these steps, we will be able to create a sturdy and well-balanced structure. Let's get started. A measurement that is 7.5 units long, having a specific numerical value and defined by its length in space. .8 deep, obviously. I will make an initial cut randomly, and then we will make adjustments. Have you seen it like this? Really massive? It's incredible how deep it goes. Of course, we need to be cautious when making the initial cut, but once we have a starting point, we can make the necessary adjustments. Have you had a chance to see it in person? The scale of it is truly impressive. I can't believe how massive it is. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. The depth is just mind-boggling. We'll need to take our time and ensure we get it right. It's a challenging task, but I'm confident we can handle it. Let me know if you have any concerns or if there's anything else you'd like me to consider. I'm here to help and ensure we achieve the best possible outcome. Please provide any additional details or specifications you think are important. Your input is valuable in ensuring we meet your expectations. Thank you for your cooperation and trust in our expertise. We look forward to working with you and delivering exceptional results. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with. I'm here to make sure you're completely satisfied with our work. Maybe smaller supports would have been enough. And I thought it would be easier. I double-checked the different joints with the chisel, striving to do my best, although evidently there are still some gaps because, as I mentioned for the final time, they are wall-mounted and rough for cost-saving purposes. However, the issue is that the 4-meter long wall experiences torsions, resulting in variations where you encounter it like this, like that, in this manner, in the other way. So each piece had to be fitted in this manner, in this specific one, making it extremely challenging to adapt. It is important to note that despite my efforts, due to the nature of the wall and the constraints involved, achieving a perfect fit is highly improbable. Just a plain plus thickness is enough. I've recalculated it. With one measurement, it will be perfect. What is not right is because it measures from 7.4 to 7.8 millimeters, almost half a centimeter of difference. So making it perfect is impossible as far as my skills go. Therefore, I will settle for this. Now I will proceed with the gluing. Next time we will see how to make the other level, the upper level, taking measurements from the saw bench to determine at what height it will go based on the top we will place, which we have decided to use. To make everything level, it is a single system. If you put a 3 centimeter top, the bench will go to the same level. If you use plywood, as I intend to do, it will go to another level. But we will see that in the next video. I am excited to continue this project and share the progress with you all. It's going to be a fun and challenging journey. I appreciate your support and encouragement throughout this process. Thank you for being a part of it. I do not want to prolong any further because it becomes, as per usual, excessively lengthy. I hope it would have provided you with a few moments of tranquility. I want to express my gratitude to all of you. Please take care and stay safe. Remember to subscribe, leave a like and comment. Goodbye, my dear friends.